The story of Mujbur. Mujbur, a young boy, was sleeping soundly with his father at night. Deep in sleep, his father remained unaware when suddenly Mujbur woke up. Without his father noticing, he stepped out of the house. It was midnight, exactly 12 o'clock. Only 3 years old, Mujbur wandered outside alone. His father had no idea. Walking further and further, he left his village behind and reached a nearby town. At that late hour, the town was almost deserted. There were no people around, only the occasional sound of vehicles passing by. Most people failed to notice the little boy walking alone, but one man did. Observing the child, the man approached him and asked, "Where are you going?" Mujbur replied innocently, "I just came out for a walk." The man then asked, "Where is your home?" "My home is far away. I walked all the way here without anyone knowing," the boy said. The man replied, "You shouldn't be wandering alone. Let me come with you." And so, the stranger walked alongside Mujbur. They walked for a long time until they reached the edge of a dense forest. As they approached, the man said, "Let's go to that fort." Mujbur, curious, asked, "What is a fort?" The man smiled and replied, "It is where I live." "Who are you, uncle?" Mujbur asked with innocent curiosity. "I am Vesikatu Kambra," the man replied. "Vesikatu Kambra, what kind of name is that?" Mujbur asked, puzzled. The man simply laughed. Suddenly, Mujbur noticed the man's appearance: long, unkempt hair, a thick beard, a staff in his hand, and amulets tied around his body. His figure looked terrifying. Yes, he was none other than Vesikatu Kambra, a powerful sorcerer. The 3-year-old Mujbur was taken by the mysterious man to his fortress. Mujbur's father's brave rescue. Suddenly, Mujbur's father woke up and realized his son was missing. Panic gripped him as he searched the entire house with his family, but Mujbur was nowhere to be found. Fear crept into his heart. Where could his son have gone? Determined, he stepped out into the road and soon noticed faint footprints. Following the trail, he walked through the village, then the town, until he reached the edge of the dense forest. There, before him, stood the eerie fortress of the sorcerer Vesikatu Kambra. With a loud voice, he called out, "Mujbur! Mujbur! Where are you? I have come to find you." From inside the fortress, Mujbur heard his father's voice. He tried to respond, calling out to his father. However, before he could do anything, Kambra's guards arrived and silenced him. They captured him and locked him up with other children whom Kambra had kidnapped over time. Mujbur soon learned of the sorcerer's terrifying plan. By the next day, Kambra would use his magical staff to turn all the children into rats. Fear gripped Mujbur. He knew his father had to do something that very night to save him. As night fell, Mujbur anxiously waited. Then, from the roof of his prison cell, he heard a faint noise. His father had climbed onto the fortress and was carefully breaking in through the ceiling. Slowly, his father descended into the room with a rope. To his horror, he saw many children imprisoned there. Kambra had been kidnapping children for a long time and keeping them captive. But Mujbur's father was wise. He quickly devised a plan and told the children, "Stay quiet. Do not make a sound." Once all were silent, Mujbur and his father stealthily made their way to Kambra's chamber. The sorcerer was in deep sleep, and beside him lay his enchanted staff. Carefully, Mujbur's father picked up the staff without waking him. Then, with one swift motion, he touched Kambra with the staff. In an instant, Kambra transformed into a rat, just as he had planned to do to the children. Mujbur's father then broke the magical staff, ensuring that Kambra's spell could never be undone. Not just Kambra, but all his guards and followers in the fortress also turned into rats. The dark sorcery had been reversed. Mujbur's father then led all the children out of the fortress, guiding them back to their families. Each child was safely reunited with their parents. The entire village celebrated his bravery, for he had not only saved Mujbur but also many other innocent lives. With courage and intelligence, Mujbur's father had defeated the evil sorcerer and brought peace to the land.